Hello class, hello class. My name is Mr. McMatherson and I will be your substitute math teacher for this week. Now, who here loves math? Anyone? No one? Okay then. Well, let's get started. Now, your music teacher, Ms. Musette, told me that you are studying note values. Is that right? Anyone? No one? Okay then. Let's do some music math. Now, if I write here on the board, you'll see that we can use note values in math equations. Now, we all know that 1 plus 2 is... Anyone? No one? All right then. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. Easy peasy. But what if we use note values as our math symbols instead of whole numbers? Like this. See? We have a quarter note, which gets 1 beat, plus a half note, which gets 2 beats. And what does this note equal? Anyone? No one? Okay then. Well, you can see that the answer to 1 beat plus 2 beats is 3 beats. And that means that the musical answer is a dotted half note. See? This is a half note plus a dot. And what does a dot mean when it's next to the half note? I know you know this. Anyone? Yes, thank you. What's the answer? How much longer is class? 30 minutes. But what is the answer to the question of what a dot means when it's next to a half note? Anyone? No one? Okay then. The dot gives the half note an extra beat. So, a dotted half note ends up being 3 beats. Now, let's try another equation. Look at this. Now look at this. We have a whole note minus a half note. Can anyone tell us what that would be in numbers? Anyone? No one? Okay then. A whole note is worth 4 beats. A half note is worth 2 beats. So if we subtract 4 minus 2, what do we get? Yes, finally. Your answer, please. Can I get a drink? No, we just had lunch. Oh yeah, I forgot. I had this new flavor of Capri Sun. It was so tasty. Nice. Do you know the answer to the question? Anyone? No one? Okay then. A whole note 4 minus a half note 2 equals another half note 2. Are there any questions so far? Anyone? No one? Okay then. Okay, we have a quarter note plus a dotted half note. Now, what is the answer? Anyone? No one? Okay then. A quarter note would be 1 beat. Did you know that? And then a dotted half note is... Anyone? No one? Okay then. A dotted half note is 3 beats. So 1 plus 3 is... It's 4. And in music, what kind of note makes up 4 beats? It's anyone? It's a whole note. A whole note equals 4 beats. Maybe I'm going too fast. Did you learn note values in music class? Do you play instruments? Oh yeah, I've been playing violin for like 5 years. So why aren't you answering the questions then? Okay, let's do this differently. I'll give you a note value and you give me an equation that would equal that value. Here we go. What could you add together to make a half note? Looks like you're writing something down. Can you share? Oh, that. No, I was working on this thing for TikTok and I didn't want to forget. No, I meant about the question. Anyone? No one? Okay then, here's the answer to what can be added together to equal a half note. It's 2 quarter notes. See? I'd like you to spend the rest of the period on your homework assignment in Google Classroom on note values and mathematical equations. That's not our homework assignment. Yeah, our homework assignment is on U substitution with integration by parts problems. But that's calculus, advanced material. I thought I was covering Mr. Mathaloni's basic math skills class. Nope, that's next period. We learned that a few years ago. Well, yeah, this is calculus. So why didn't you stop me? We didn't want to be rude.